JEE Main 2021 problem from differentiation. Okay. Look at the problem. F of x is given cos of 2 tan inverse sine of cot inverse root 1 minus x by x. And we need to find this 1 minus x whole square into f dash of x plus 2f of x whole square. Okay, actually we have 4 options for this problem, but I am not mentioning the options here. Just if you find this, it's okay. It's a mains 2021 problem, right? So how to solve this? First of all, think about this. Cot inverse root 1 minus x by x. This is cot inverse root 1 minus x by x, and here we have sine. Try to rewrite this cot inverse in terms of sine inverse. How it becomes, okay? See, first observation is this. Observation 1, cot inverse root 1 minus x by x. We need to express it in terms of sine inverse, okay? See, cot inverse, for suppose if you take this as some alpha, which is nothing but cot alpha is equals to root of 1 minus x by x. Is it right? If cot alpha is root of 1 minus x by x, you just take a triangle indicating alpha there. So cot in the sense adjacent side by opposite side. So this is root 1 minus x and the opposite side is root x. So after having adjacent side and opposite side, think about the hypotenuse, which is square root of, see, root x square, which is x, and this is 1 minus x, and so this is 1. Okay, so if cot alpha is root 1 minus x by root x, then this is root x, this is root 1 minus x, and that is 1. Then what you say about sine alpha? Sine alpha is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, which is root x. Just look here, look there. If it is alpha, we have sine alpha, right? That sine alpha is root x. So the given problem will become like this. Therefore, y, or you may say f of x, right? Just a minute. F of x is equals to cos of 2 tan inverse of root x. Simply this is root x because sine of alpha is root x, right? 2 tan inverse root x. Now use the idea of tan inverse, which can be written as 2 tan inverse x, right? We need to use tan 2 theta formula. This can be written as tan inverse of 2 root x divided by 1 plus root x square in the sense x, okay? 1 minus, I think. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. From that 2 tan inverse root x is tan inverse of 2 root x by 1 minus root x square, which is 1 by x. Now we have tan inverse 2 root x by 1 minus x. Again, you just treat this tan inverse root x by 1 minus x as some beta. So we need to find cos beta finally. But if you are, since we are taking it as beta, again think about a triangle where beta is the angle, okay? Tan in the sense opposite by adjacent. So this is 2 root x and this is 1 minus x, okay? So that is 2 root x, this is 1 minus x. Then what you say about the hypotenuse? Square root of 2 root x square is 2x, and that, no, 4x, right? 4x plus 1 minus x whole square. 1 minus x whole square plus 4x is 1 plus x whole square. So it becomes 1 plus x finally. If it is 1 plus x, what you say about cos beta? Cos beta is adjacent by hypotenuse, right? So this is equals to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Finally, we have f of x is equals to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. But our task is to show this. So after having f of x, we need to calculate f dash of x now. Okay? Just have a look till now. I will erase it for the space and then I will continue. First of all, take this as alpha, and from a right angle triangle, sin alpha is root x. Replace it sin alpha with root x. So this is cos of 2 tan inverse root x. For 2 tan inverse root x, use tan inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta and mark it as beta. From there, cos beta is 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Okay, just copy this till now. So finally, with the ideas of trigonometry, we have f of x is equals to 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now we need to find this. That means we need to differentiate it. So f dash of x is equals to numerator by denominator form, right? This is, so differentiate f dash of x is denominator 1 plus x into derivative of numerator, which is 1 minus x, whose derivative is minus 1, minus this numerator 1 minus x into derivative of denominator, which is 1, divided by 1 plus x whole square. If you try to simplify the numerator, it becomes like this: minus 1 minus x, here again minus 1 minus of minus plus x. So x term gets cancelled, we left with minus 2 by 1 plus x whole square. So this is f dash of x. But to find this 1 minus x whole square into f dash of x we have, so just multiply both sides with 1 minus x whole square. Now what happens? This implies 1 minus x whole square into f dash of x is equals to minus 2 into 1 minus x whole square by 1 plus x whole square. Just have a look. F of x is this 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Here we have 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square. So now it is easy to write it like minus 2 into f of x whole square. If you send that minus 2 into f of x whole square to the left side, we have 1 minus x whole square into f dash of x plus 2 into f of x whole square as 0, and your answer is 0 finally. It's a problem from mains 2021 of differentiation. Okay, copy this.